After a large snowstorm or blizzard, we realize most youth and children want to go out. We want to guard against any harm that will be caused during snow or winter. So let's arm ourselves with these tips to protect us during cold winter. You realize during snowstorm, children particularly will want to go sledging or build a snowman or an igloo in the winter. Now we have to be careful and ensure that at least we watch the category of children that can go sledging. At least from 7 years will not be bad, or if lesser years go sledging, then they should be really be highly protected by the adults. Now we need to ensure that everyone layers up during snowstorm or blizzards. It is important for anyone to dress in several layers. You protect the head, the neck, the hands. Babies especially, you make sure their layers are always more than one. Also, we need to ensure that we are really safe when driving. Even when roads are close to driving, it is not safe to play or sledge in the streets. When it's snowing, things are not visible enough. Visibility is quite limited due to the snow banks and ice on the roads, and it makes braking a bit difficult for drivers on the road or road users. So please, let's beware of this and keep our world safe. We also have to beware of sunburns. There should be the usage of sunscreens. Adults and children alike can get sunburned during the winter. Since sun can reflect off the snow, it is important to apply sunscreen to exposed areas. Of necessity is also the need to use caution around fires. Wood burning stoves, outdoor fire pits, fireplaces, cozy as they may be, they can prevent danger, especially for younger ones. We need to use caution and put on protective guards when possible. Then you can also make do with electric heaters, but be sure there are smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors that are really working to expose any mishap. It's also important children, especially who go snowboarding, skiing, sledging, or playing ice hockey, are trained and equipped. It's necessary for them to wear helmets to avoid injuries. In this of essence, they are shown how to do all these activities safely. during periods of winter and snow. There are some people that have nosebleeds. If you are someone who suffers from nosebleeds, it's important to use a cold air humidifier in your room. Saline nose drops do also help to keep the nose moist. Though it's windy, it's winter or it's snowing, it's also very important to keep yourself hydrated. In drier winter, some people lose more water through their breath. It's important plenty of water is drunk